I have such a good success with my ferns. They are showcase ferns, and I am so amazed how my ferns grow like they do. I love them, and I just want to share my showcase ferns with you. And I'm telling you, they are a showcase, isn't they? I'm going all the way around and let you see how beautiful they are. These ferns are my prize. They're beautiful, aren't they? I... Hi, this is Sandra. I'm outside and I want to show you what do you do when your ferns did not make it through the winter. I showed you some beautiful ferns that I had, and now this is how they look. All dried up and everything. This one right here looks pretty kind of surviving. But I'm going to show you what to do to bring them back. First, you need to get some dirt. This dirt right here is, I got 2 pots with dirt in there. This one got dirt inside this one too. So what I did, I took off the top bottom that was on there. The bottom pot, I took that off. And you can see all these little swervy roots together. We're going to cut through those. And we're going to use some Miracle Grow on top of the dirt. Here's a Miracle Grow right here. So let me show you what I'm going to do about cutting these tops off right quick, the bottoms off right quick. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with that, okay? As you can see, there's no roots inside when I cut between there. The roots is out here. So what we're going to do is just peel them loose like this. Just like this. Pull them loose just like that. You're going to pull all this loose and kind of separate it a little bit. Just like this. Okay? We're going to do that and come back. What you're doing is taking the roots away from the dirt. And this is what you're doing. You're separating the roots so they can start spreading their little legs or little feet out in the new soil. So leave this in because that helps out a whole lot. So what you're doing is just separating. Now this brown, you can cut those off with shears if you want to, but I leave mine on because it's just like fertilizer and it just fall off anyway. So just separate this just like I'm doing. Just get the roots. Be careful so you can have some spreading room for the roots to get into the new dirt. So that's what you're doing. You're just spreading this loose. See how loose that's getting? Those roots are not really fully dead yet. What you need to do, they just need to be in another pot. Okay, we'll be right back. So what I'm doing now is putting the potting soil around just like this, all around. Make sure that the plant is covered and pushed down. And then we're going to water it real good. And then we're going to look at this every week. Today is Wednesday. So every Wednesday I'm going to give you an update on these plants. This is Sandra showing you how to survive your ferns after the winter. So take these temps. Don't throw them away. Just try to survive them. And you see what will happen. This is Sandra. I want to tell you thank you for watching. Hi, this is Sandra. Do you remember when I showed you how to restore your ferns when you think they are dead and gone? Look at this one right here. Look how it has grown. And I'm telling you, and look at the other one. The other one has blossomed out so good. You remember that? When I told you don't throw them away because all you have to do is just do those instructions how I did. And I'm going to show you after this video how to restore your ferns. And don't they look beautiful? Now this one right here was almost gone. And I didn't want to show you it because I want to, discourage one. But I want you to see how beautiful it came out. Oh, it did real good. These are the ferns I was telling you about, how to restore them. Same little pot. I want to show you the pot and let you know that I'm not shucking and jiving with you. This is Sandra. Wants you to watch this video after this, how I did the ferns. Beautiful. And good morning and have a wonderful day.